Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Today we will study the remaining concepts in chapter number 4, that is text and images in HTML. In last class we have studied how to create the list, and also we have studied about font tags. Okay? In the creating the list we have studied three types: list item, the unordered list and ordered list. Okay, now today we will study the few more concepts in this chapter. The topics that we will be covering in today's class are definition list tag, nesting list, and inserting images. Now first we are going to study about definition list tag. Definition list tag helps in creating the list of items where each item contains some block of text acting as a definition. When we want to add some description to any content, okay, to any word, that time we will use this definition list tag. Okay, in definition list tag, there are three tags. Mainly, first is DL tag, that is definition list tag. Then DT tag, definition list term tag, and DD tag, definition list description tag. Okay, so these three tags are used to add the definition to a certain content, to a certain word, okay, to add description to a certain word. Fine. Now we will see practically how we will use this definition list tags. Definition list tags. Okay, so this is the basic outline of the HTML code. Let us mention title as definition list. Okay, inside the head tag, then the remaining content we will mention inside the body tag. Okay, to use this definition list tag, first you have to use this DL tag. Okay, you have to open the DL tag, and inside that DL tag you have to use this DT tag, that is definition list term. Okay, whichever words, whichever terms, definition you are mentioning, description you are mentioning, first you have to mention it with DT tag. Okay, here first term I have mentioned as keyboard. Now the description you will add with DD tag. Okay, now DD stands for definition description tag. Okay, description, whatever the definition is there, you will mention it in the DD tag. Fine. Now what is the definition of keyboard? The device that is used to feed instructions, to feed data and instructions into a computer. Into a computer. Fine, this is the definition of keyboard, and we have mentioned it inside the DD tag. Fine. Now DT and DD, these both are having only on tag. Okay, off tag is not there for DT and DD. Term you have to mention using DT tag, and definition or description you have to mention using DD tag. Okay. Now next term is, suppose the next term I am mentioning it as using DT tag, you have to mention the term. Next term is mouse. Okay, now how you will add the definition of mouse? Using DD tag. Fine. Now using DD tag, the device that is used to select objects on the screen is the definition of mouse. The device that is used to select objects on the screen. Fine. So this is the definition of mouse. Term you have to mention using DT tag, and description or definition you have to mention using DD tag. Okay. Now suppose these only two terms you have to add, then it is compulsory to close this DL tag. Okay. DL tag once opened, now at the end we will close it by adding backslash. Okay. Now our definition list code is complete. So what is the next step? To save it. Okay. Save it using Ctrl S. So I am saving it on desktop. Let us save it as 6.html. Okay, .html you have to add at the end. .html extension, it is compulsory to add it while saving your document. After writing the name, just click on save option. Now your code is saved on desktop. So here is that code 6.html. Right click on it. After right clicking, click on open with. Okay, and when you click on open with, beside that a list appears. Choose whichever browser you want. I am choosing Google Chrome. Fine. Now let us see what happens when the definition list tags are used. Okay. Now definition list tags, you can see on the screen that keyboard you have mentioned term, and downside of it the definition is mentioned of keyboard. Then mouse you have mentioned, and downside of mouse the definition of mouse has been mentioned there. Okay. So in this way, when you want to add some description or any definition of any term, you can use this definition list tags. Fine. Now the next term that we are going to see is nesting list. Nesting of list is possible in HTML. It means any kind of list can be nested inside any other list. Within a list, we can create other list. Okay? A list is created inside any other list, and that is nothing but nesting of list. Okay? Now, as we will see it practically, you will understand it clearly. Okay? It means any kind of list can be nested, can be created inside any other list. For example, an ordered list can be nested within another ordered list. Okay? Let us see how to create the nesting of list. We are going to see how the nesting of list works. Okay? Just look at the HTML code which you are seeing on your screen. Fine. Now I have given the title inside head as creating of nested list. Okay. Now as we know that title is defined inside head tag. Okay, and the remaining content, the main content is defined inside body tag. Fine. So nesting of list means creating a list inside another list. Fine. So I am starting, for example, I am starting the list with UL tag. Okay, unordered list. Fine. Now inside unordered list, one term I am giving it as modern dances, and modern dances I have defined it with LI tag. Okay, list item tag. Fine. Now I want to display the contents, the types of modern dances. Fine. So inside this UL tag, inside this LI tag, one more term I am using, one more tag I am using of ordered list. Okay, you can use any of the type of listing. Okay. Now inside ordered list, I have written the types of modern dances, and I have defined it with LI tag. Fine. Now after doing this, you have to close the OL tag. Okay. Now after doing this, the next term I have defined it as Indian classical. Okay, I have defined it with LI tag. Fine. Now inside LI tag, again I have defined the OL tag. Okay, I want to display the types of Indian classical dances. Okay, and I have displayed three types as in three types I've defined with LI tag, and that is Kathak, Manipuri and Bharatnatyam. Okay, these are the types of Indian classical. Okay, so after doing this, close the OL tag and the main main tag in which you have defined all this listing, all this nested list, that is UL tag. Close that UL tag, close the body tag, and also close the HTML tag by adding just backslash to it. Okay, save all this code on wherever you want. Okay, I have saved this code on the desktop by the name one.html. Fine. Now by the name one.html. Okay, I have saved it. Close it. Now on the desktop, one notepad icon you will find with name one. Okay, right click on it, click on open with, and choose the browser. I am choosing it as Google Chrome, and you can see here a list inside another list has been created. Modern dances, there are 4 types of modern dances I have displayed. It has been displayed, and inside Indian classical 3 types has been displayed. Okay, nesting of list means creating a list inside another list. Fine. So in this way you can create the nesting of list. Okay, so here we are done with this chapter. I am attaching one worksheet with this video. You need to solve that worksheet and send it on my email. Thank you.